Want stronger legs even at 90? Eat this every day. Your legs are getting weaker, and you probably don't even realize it yet. One day, standing up from a chair feels just a bit harder. A few months later, climbing stairs leaves you winded. And before you know it, even short walks feel like workouts. This isn't just normal aging. It's called muscle loss. Silent, gradual, and dangerously overlooked. Here's the shocking truth. Your legs are the first to weaken as you get older. When they do, your balance suffers, your independence fades, and your risk of fall skyrockets. But here's the good news. It's not too late to rebuild them. In fact, you can start strengthening your legs right at your kitchen table. Because while exercise is important, what you eat can be just as powerful and sometimes even more effective. In this video, we'll uncover 6 powerful foods that can restore muscle strength, protect your bones, and keep your legs strong and steady well into your later years. So, make sure to watch until the end because the #1 food on this list is something most seniors already have in their kitchen, but almost no one eats it the right way. Before we dive in, tell me, how old are you and where are you watching from? I'd love to know where our Heal Smart family is tuning in from today. All right, let's begin. Here are 6 science-backed foods that can help keep your legs strong, flexible, and full of life. Starting with number 6, sweet potatoes, the fuel that keeps your legs moving. When it comes to keeping your legs strong and steady, energy is everything. But not all energy is created equal. Some foods give you a quick burst, then leave you tired and sluggish. Sweet potatoes, on the other hand, deliver long-lasting power that fuels your muscles for hours, keeping you walking, climbing, and standing tall. As we age, our muscles don't store or use energy as efficiently. That's why simple tasks carrying groceries or walking uphill start to feel harder. Sweet potatoes fix that naturally. Packed with complex carbohydrates, they provide steady fuel without blood sugar spikes or crashes. Inside that bright orange flesh are vitamin A, potassium, and anti-inflammatory compounds that repair muscle micro-tears, prevent cramps, and keep your movement smooth. Vitamin A speeds recovery and eases soreness, while potassium stabilizes muscle contractions and hydrates tissues. Chronic inflammation is another hidden thief of strength. It slowly eats away at muscle fibers. The beta-carotene in sweet potatoes fights that damage at the cellular level, keeping your legs flexible and pain-free. Even your gut plays a role. The natural fiber in sweet potatoes supports digestion and nutrient absorption, ensuring your muscles get the fuel they need. Roast them, mash them, or add them to soups and salads. Their gentle sweetness pairs with almost anything, and every serving helps your legs carry you farther, one strong step at a time. Number 5, oats. The endurance builder for tired legs. Most people think of oats as a plain breakfast, but for seniors, they're one of the best foods for leg endurance and all-day energy. If your legs tire out halfway through the day or feel heavy when climbing stairs, oats can help fix that. As we age, our muscles lose stamina because the body becomes less efficient at keeping blood sugar and energy levels stable. Oats provide slow-releasing carbohydrates, giving your muscles steady fuel for hours. No crashes, no midday fatigue, just consistent strength for walking, gardening, and staying active. But oats do more than fuel your muscles. They rebuild them. Each serving offers plant-based protein to help repair and maintain muscle fibers that naturally decline with age. That means better balance, stronger legs, and improved stability. They're also rich in iron and magnesium, 2 nutrients that many seniors lack. Iron delivers oxygen to your muscles, while magnesium relaxes them, preventing cramps, stiffness, and that tight, heavy feeling in your legs. If you've ever had sudden night cramps, magnesium from oats can help stop them naturally. Oats even support circulation by keeping blood vessels open and flexible, ensuring your muscles get oxygen and nutrients for faster recovery. Enjoy them warm in the morning, blended into smoothies, or baked into healthy snacks. However you choose to eat them, oats quietly power your muscles, helping your legs stay strong, steady, and ready for every step. Number 4, avocados. The flexibility and cramp-fighting superfood. Avocados aren't just a trendy food for seniors. They're one of the best ways to keep your legs strong, flexible, and pain-free. As we age, stiffness often creeps in. That dull ache when getting out of bed or tightness after sitting too long. Much of this comes from inflammation, which slowly wears down muscles and joints. Avocados fight that naturally. They're rich in monounsaturated fats, the good fats that calm inflammation, protect muscle tissue, and keep joints supple. That means less stiffness, less soreness, and more freedom to move with confidence. Even better, avocados are packed with potassium, a mineral your muscles depend on to contract properly. They actually contain more potassium than bananas, helping prevent cramps, spasms, and nighttime leg tightness. If you've ever woken up with a painful calf cramp, low potassium may be to blame. Avocados also deliver vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that repairs tiny stress points in your muscles, easing fatigue and keeping them strong. Plus, their healthy fats support circulation, ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach your legs so they stay energized. Add avocado to toast, blend it into smoothies, mash it into guacamole, or eat it plain with salt and pepper. The secret is consistency. Make it part of your weekly routine, and you'll feel the difference. Smoother movement, fewer cramps, and legs that stay flexible and alive for years to come. Number 3. Berries, the muscle protector and anti-aging powerhouse. Aging is inevitable, but losing strength isn't. Every day, your muscles face invisible enemies like free radicals, oxidative stress, and inflammation. You might not see them, but you feel them. Stiff knees, sore legs after light activity, or lingering fatigue. That's where berries come in. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries are some of nature's strongest protectors. Packed with antioxidants, they act like a shield, fighting oxidative stress that weakens muscles and slows recovery. The more often you eat them, the more resilient your muscles become. Berries also reduce chronic inflammation, the silent force behind stiff joints and aching legs, allowing you to move more freely and comfortably. Their high vitamin C content boosts collagen production, keeping your muscles, tendons, and joints firm, flexible, and youthful. And they don't just protect, they energize. Berries support healthy circulation, improving oxygen delivery to your leg muscles, so you feel less tired and recover faster. As a bonus, the same antioxidants that protect your muscles also sharpen your memory and focus, keeping your mind as active as your body. Add a handful to oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothies, or enjoy them fresh. With every bite, you're fueling strength, flexibility, and vitality from the inside out. Sweet, simple, and powerful, berries truly are food for your body and brain. Before we continue with our final 2 on the list, if you're finding this video helpful so far, please give it a like and subscribe to Heal Smart for more life-changing tips that help you stay strong and active after 60. How's your health been lately? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you. And if you'd like to support our mission, click the Super Thanks button to send a small token. Every bit truly helps. Number 2. Salmon, the muscle rebuilder and circulation booster. Every time you stand, walk, or climb stairs, your leg muscles quietly carry your entire body weight. But with age, your body's ability to rebuild muscle slows down, which is why your legs may start to feel weaker or more tired than they used to. That's where salmon comes in. One of the most powerful foods for rebuilding strength. It's packed with high-quality protein, giving your muscles the raw materials they need to repair and stay firm. But the real secret lies in its omega-3 fatty acids, healthy fats that reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and protect your joints from stiffness and pain. Inflammation is a major cause of weakness and slow recovery in older adults. Omega-3s calm that process, helping your legs move more freely and comfortably. They also boost circulation, keeping your blood vessels flexible so oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles efficiently, meaning more energy, less heaviness, and faster recovery. Salmon even supports nerve function, keeping your movements sharp and balanced, while its B vitamins, especially B12, help convert food into clean energy. Together, they fuel endurance, strength, and coordination. You don't need salmon every day. Just 2 to 3 servings a week can make a difference. Grilled, baked, or even canned with olive oil and lemon. Each bite helps rebuild, recharge, and restore your legs from the inside out. Number 1. Eggs, the complete strength builder. If you ask doctors or nutritionists which food best rebuilds strength after 60, most will say the same thing. Eggs. Small, simple, and affordable. Each one holds a complete package of nutrients your muscles depend on to stay strong and steady. As we age, we lose muscle faster than we rebuild it, a process called sarcopenia. You might feel it as slower movement or weaker legs. Eggs fight that by providing high-quality protein with all 9 essential amino acids, the exact building blocks your muscles need to repair and grow. They're also one of the best natural sources of vitamin D, which supports not only bone health, but also muscle strength and coordination. Low vitamin D is common in seniors and can cause fatigue, weakness, and balance problems. And just 1 or 2 eggs a day can help restore it naturally. Inside each yolk, you'll also find choline, a nutrient that keeps your nerves and muscles communicating smoothly. That means quicker reactions, steadier steps, and better control. Plus, eggs are rich in B vitamins, antioxidants, and healthy fats, all helping protect muscle cells and sustain energy throughout the day. You don't need many. 1 or 2 eggs daily is enough. Scramble, boil, or mix them with veggies for variety. The secret is consistency. Making eggs part of your routine can help you stay balanced, confident, and strong for years to come. Because sometimes the simplest foods truly build the strongest foundations. Now, many of you ask, do I need to eat all 6 of these foods every single day? Not necessarily. You can mix and match them throughout the week. What matters most is consistency, making these foods a regular part of your routine. Even a few servings of each across the week can make a noticeable difference in your leg strength and energy. When's the best time to eat them? Morning is ideal. Starting your day with nutrient-rich foods gives your muscles lasting fuel and helps stabilize energy levels. But if you prefer them later in the day, say for lunch or dinner, that's perfectly fine, too. Your body benefits whenever you nourish it. Can I eat them all together? Absolutely. Many of these foods complement each other beautifully. For example, oats with berries or salmon with avocado. The nutrients actually work better when combined, something nutrition experts call food synergy. And one more question we hear often. Do I need exercise for results? Light movement helps these nutrients work faster. Even simple leg stretches, short walks, or chair exercises will speed up your progress. Remember, nutrition fuels your body, but movement activates it. Together, they rebuild your legs from the inside out, helping you stay strong, stable, and independent for years to come. Now that we've uncovered all 6 powerful foods, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Sweet potatoes fuel your muscles with long-lasting energy and help them recover faster. Oats provide steady strength, keeping your muscles energized and free from cramps. Avocados reduce inflammation, boost flexibility, and protect against painful stiffness. Berries repair muscle fibers and protect your joints through their rich antioxidants. Salmon rebuilds muscle tissue, improves circulation, and restores energy from the inside out. And finally, eggs, the complete strength food, supply everything your legs need to stay stable, responsive, and powerful. Together, these 6 foods form a natural defense system against the muscle loss and weakness that come with aging. Every meal that includes 1 or more of them brings you a step closer to stronger legs, better balance, and greater independence. If you've been noticing fatigue when climbing stairs, heaviness when walking, or stiffness in your legs, know that it's not too late to turn things around. Your body still listens to what you feed it. Start today, and within weeks you may begin to feel the difference. Lighter steps, steadier balance, and renewed confidence with every movement. The information shared in this video is intended for educational purposes only and should not replace personalized medical advice. Always consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you're managing chronic conditions, taking medication, or recovering from an injury. Your safety and well-being come first. Use this information as a guide, not a prescription. Remember, your legs are your foundation. When they stay strong, you stay independent, mobile, and in control of your life. Even small, consistent changes in your diet can lead to huge improvements in how you feel every single day. So start with one change this week. Maybe add sweet potatoes to dinner or toss some berries into your breakfast. Each bite is an investment in your future strength and freedom. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Heal Smart for more life-changing tips on staying active and healthy after 60. And if you'd like to show your support for our mission, click the Super Thanks button below. Your kindness helps us keep creating valuable videos for you. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 6 foods do you already eat, and which one will you start adding to your meals this week? Share it in the comments. Your story might inspire someone else to start their journey to stronger legs, too. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep moving because every step you take is a step toward a longer, more vibrant